Hey, you guys, I'm Pat. I am the owner of Scrubs R Us and More Uniforms, and I want to take you guys on a journey of the renovation of my second store location. I had begun this full renovation that I thought was going to take 3 months, and it took 9 months. I was so dedicated, and I was so dedicated in renovating this spot. I would work 16 hours. Sometimes I would work 12 hours. And I would come in my store when I get off work and I would renovate. Right now, I'm putting up my new ceiling tile. I am also putting up the um, ductwork. So I have new ductwork that I am putting up, and once I've done the ductwork, um, in the ceiling there, I'll put the ceiling tile up, and then I would paint the ceiling. I was so excited doing this project. It challenged me. It challenged me beyond all measures, and I want to let you guys know that if you have a goal or a dream or anything that you want to do, all you got to do is put your 100 in it, and it will be a total success, right? So this right here is my dressing room. I totally renovated the dressing room. It looked absolutely amazing. This is my office. I totally renovated my office. I started from scratch. There's my green wall. We don't have that up no more. But the theme for my office was gold and green. So I laid my carpet down. I put in a plexiglass window to my office. It was an open space there. So this renovation was just like so. It was challenging, but I was so focused because I kept the vision in front of me. I kept how the store would look after the renovation right in front of me. I'm a visionary. I'm a visual person. I have to see something, and then I go at it. And so yeah, so that's the section of the store. In the back there is a fulfillment center, and this is actually where we're at now. Is the store area is absolute is huge. The store area alone is 1,200 square feet. And so what we're doing now, me and my boo boo, that's my grandbaby, my helper, he helped me with every time we was in the store. I was in the store, he was in the store, and he so look at her, Nana baby. So right now we're painting the rim of this counter right here, but it's not going to look like that. We're going to do something different. Right here, we are measuring the floor area, the store area for the flooring, which I was so absolutely amazed at the outcome of that store area. And look how wonderful and beautiful it look. I was so excited when this floor went down because I all I did was had, like I said, I had my vision, and I just made sure that it turned out the way that I had envisioned it. And what I did was, after the flooring went down, I purchased baseboards, and there go my baby again. And I purchased baseboards, and see, I started putting my baseboards down around the floor there. Hello, my name is Patricia Thomas. I am the owner of Scrubs R Us Inc. and Scrubs R Us and More Uniforms LLC. I established my uniform business in 2009, and during the beginning of the pandemic decided to take my uniform business outside of the trunk of my car and into a retail space. With that being said, the first location, Scrubs R Us Inc., is located in Sheffield Lake, Ohio. I felt during the pandemic that was a need for me to create a uniform business that sells multiple uniforms for different industries, because the pandemic pretty much shut down the world. It was hard for a lot of uniform retailers to obtain um, inventory because of customs and things like that was shut down. So with this location here, Scrubs Are Us and More Uniforms, I sell uniforms for 7 different occupations. I have a 1,700 square foot space in this location, which gives me the opportunity not just to have uniforms for in-store sales, but I also have a large 700 square feet of space in the back of the store for a fulfillment center. Therefore, the need that I will meet for other retailers is the goal. If, God forbid, something else happened and the world shuts down, I will be able to offer different uniforms for different retail stores here on site in our area. I also am the mentee for mentoring people that's interested in monetizing in the uniform market. I am the uniform plug, and so I have 2 mentees that is establishing their own a uniform business, and so I will have inventory on hand also for them. And there you have it. The banner has went up. We're officially getting ready for our grand opening. We are located at 4200 Rocky River Drive, Cleveland, Ohio. And so I invite you to come down and shop with us.